Black Feniks, owner of HogOn Welding, and I want to show you my prototype welding skid. Come check a look. This is just a prototype. Come around here so you can see this side. This is just a prototype, so I built it to be able to be mobile. It's a 4x4 skid, so it can go on a 1500 truck, a 2500 truck, or a 3500 truck. It's not real bulky or heavy. You can have your toolbox in the front, whatever you need. And it's just the frame only, so the reels don't come with it. It'll just be the frame, but you can buy all your reels off of Amazon. Or if you want me to do your reels, I do them all on the gold package. So the gold package is $3,000. It comes with everything. I buy everything for you, the leads and everything. The deluxe package is $1,000, and the base model is $500. And like I say, this is a damn good frame to do any type of work you need to do on a construction job. So if you need to pick it up with a crane or forklift, very easy, very mobile, and it helps you get some money. So let me show you one thing real quick. Come over here so I can show you this. On this side, you can be able to hold all of your bottles on the deluxe model. So you're gonna have your oxyacetylene, you're gonna have your your oxygen, your CO, your 75-25, whatever it is that you have, and you can be able to be completely mobile. And that's the purpose of this welding skid. So this is the prototype, and I got many more to come. So stay in tune with me and watch us get our HogOn for 2020. Black Feniks, I'm out. Appreciate it, boy. You did pretty damn good.